Shav-tech Dawood, a wealthy and restless adventurer burdened by a haunting past, reaches out to OceanGate, a prestigious deep-sea exploration company led by Paul-Henri Nargeolet and Stockton Rush. Determined to bridge the emotional chasm with his estranged son, Suleiman Dawood, Shav-tech convinces OceanGate to include Suleiman in the expedition, hoping for a chance at redemption. Amidst tensions and uncertainties, Shav-tech, Suleiman, and the OceanGate team embark on a thrilling journey aboard Titan, their advanced submersible, to explore the uncharted depths of the ocean. Tragedy struck on June 18, 2023 when Titan, an advanced submersible operated by OceanGate, an American tourism and expeditions company, met a catastrophic fate during an expedition to explore the wreckage of the Titanic in the North Atlantic Ocean, near Newfoundland, Canada. The submersible, carrying a group of notable individuals, implodes, resulting in a devastating loss. The unsettling incident occurred approximately 1 hour and 45 minutes into the dive, when all communication with Titan abruptly ceased. Concerns arose when the submersible failed to resurface at its scheduled time later in the day. After 4 days of intense search efforts, a remotely operated underwater vehicle, ROV, made a grim discovery: an extensive debris field, containing fragments of Titan, approximately 500 meters, 1,600 feet, from the bow of the ill-fated Titanic. The search area was guided by the United States Navy's sonar detection, which had identified an acoustic signature consistent with an implosion occurring around the time communication was lost. This pointed to the distressing possibility that the pressure hull of Titan had imploded while descending, resulting in the instantaneous loss of all 5 occupants. Let's explore the company Seagate and their remarkable technology, the Titan. We'll delve into the construction of the submersible, its operational methods, the individuals who successfully navigated the security protocols, and other intriguing aspects. But before we go, please subscribe for more info on science and technology. OceanGate designs and builds advanced submersibles capable of descending to extreme depths, enabling researchers, explorers, and industry professionals to observe and study the ocean floor. Their submersibles are equipped with cutting-edge technology, such as high-definition cameras, sonar systems, and manipulator arms, allowing for detailed imaging, data collection, and sample retrieval. In addition to their technical expertise, OceanGate also offers expedition services, organizing and executing deep-sea missions. These missions bring together scientists, experts, and enthusiasts to explore underwater ecosystems, study marine life, investigate historical shipwrecks, and contribute to our understanding of the ocean's mysteries. The Titan belonged to a non-class category and had the following specifications. Length, 6.7 meters, 22 feet, 1. Beam, 2.8 meters, 9 feet 2 inches. Height, 2.5 meters, 8 feet 2 inches. Propulsion, powered by 4 Innerspace 1002 thrusters. Maximum speed, capable of reaching 3 knots, 5.6 kilometers per hour. Endurance, able to operate for 96 hours with a crew of 5 people. Test depth, designed to reach depths of up to 4,000 meters, 13,000 feet. Capacity, accommodated a crew of 5, consisting of 1 pilot, 1 technical expert, and 3 mission specialists, passengers. OceanGate stated that the submersible carried enough oxygen to sustain a full crew of 5 individuals for 96 hours. The pressure vessel for the crew was constructed using 5 major components. This included 2 hemispherical titanium end caps, 2 matching titanium interface rings, and a cylindrical hull made of carbon fiber wound material. The forward end cap could be detached to serve as a hatch for crew entry and exit during missions. The crew compartment was complemented by a landing skid structure and an outer fiberglass composite shell, both securely bolted to the titanium interface rings. The cylindrical hull, forming the central section of the crew compartment, was designed with a wall thickness of 5.0 inches, 127 millimeters. It consisted of 480 alternating layers of pre-preg unidirectional cloth and wet wound filament, providing structural strength. The cylinder was meticulously designed and assembled in 2017, undergoing a curing process at high temperatures. Each titanium end cap had a wall thickness of 83 mm, 3 plus a quarter in, and was attached to the cylindrical hull through the interface rings. External cables were routed through the interface rings, and the forward end cap featured a 380 mm diameter, 15 in, acrylic window, serving as a viewing port during dives. To ensure safety, Titan was equipped with a real-time acoustic monitoring system capable of detecting the onset of buckling in the carbon fiber hull before catastrophic failure. This system, patented by Rush, provided an added layer of protection. Control of the submersible was facilitated using a modified game controller, similar to the setup of Cyclops 1. Once the occupants were on board, the hatch was closed and securely bolted from the outside, without the ability to be opened from inside the vessel. Additionally, Titan lacked an onboard location system. Instead, the support ship monitoring Titan's position relative to its target would send text messages containing distance and directional information. The unique design and engineering of the Titan submersible ensured its structural integrity, maneuverability, and safety measures during deep-sea missions, enabling exploration in the ocean's depths. Or so they say. OceanGate proudly stated on its website, as of 2023, that the design and engineering of the Titan submersible were carried out in collaboration with experts from NASA, Boeing, and the University of Washington. However, following the disappearance of the Titan in 2023, the University of Washington clarified that their applied physics laboratory had no involvement in the design, engineering, or testing of the submersible. Similarly, Boeing confirmed that they were not a partner in the Titan project and did not participate in its design or construction. NASA acknowledged having a Space Act agreement with OceanGate but clarified that their involvement did not extend to testing or manufacturing using NASA's workforce or facilities. In 2022, Rush had mentioned partnerships with NASA, Boeing, and the University of Washington in response to a question about the perceived improvised design of the Titan. However, these statements were later contradicted by the University of Washington and Boeing representatives. During the handover process from engineering to operations, David Lockridge, OceanGate's Director of Marine Operations, inspected the Titan and filed a quality control report in January 2018. In the report, Lockridge expressed concern that no non-destructive testing had been conducted on the carbon fiber hull to check for potential weaknesses such as voids and delamination. He noted that OceanGate intended to rely solely on the real-time acoustic monitoring system, which he believed might not provide sufficient warning to the crew in the event of a failure, endangering their safety. Lockridge also raised concerns about the acrylic window's depth rating, which was insufficient for the planned diving depth of 4,000 meters, 13,000 feet. Following the submission of his report, Lockridge was called to a meeting where he was informed that the acrylic window's rating had not been upgraded due to budget constraints. Lockridge reiterated his concerns and stated that he would not allow crude testing without a thorough hull scan. As a consequence, he was dismissed from his position. OceanGate subsequently filed a lawsuit against Lockridge in June, accusing him of improperly sharing proprietary trade secrets and fabricating reasons for his dismissal. The lawsuit was ultimately settled in November 2018, resolving the legal dispute between the parties involved. On June 18, 2023, contact with the Titan submersible was lost during its planned expedition to explore the wreckage of the Titanic in the North Atlantic Ocean, approximately 400 nautical miles, 740 kilometers, south-southeast of the coast of Newfoundland. The submersible was carrying a group of individuals. Following the loss of contact and the submersible's failure to return within the expected timeframe, extensive search and rescue operations were initiated. However, on June 22, 2023, it was confirmed that the Titan had imploded, likely during its descent when communication was lost. The U.S. Navy detected what is believed to be the implosion event, indicating a catastrophic failure. Tragically, this implosion resulted in the instantaneous loss of all 5 individuals on board. The exact cause of the implosion is still under investigation. Experts speculate that the materials used in the construction of the submersible may have experienced structural failure under the extreme pressures of the deep-sea environment. Ongoing investigations aim to uncover the precise factors that led to the tragic incident.